Shifting our focus to Maharashtra, a statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in Maharashtra, inaugurated just 8 months ago, has collapsed, giving rise to a political firestorm. The statue was unveiled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at a fort in Sindhudurg district in December last year. The incident has come as a major embarrassment for the state government and as a major plank for the opposition to gun for the government in the poll-bound state. Aghadi allies are accusing the Mahayuti Sarkar of focusing more on headline management and ignoring an icon like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. NCP, Sharad Pawar, Congress and Shiv Sena UBT have united in alleging that the state government rushed the inauguration as it had its eyes on Lok Sabha elections. They have blamed the Shinde Sarkar for poor quality of work, no respect for an icon and only wanting to reap political benefits. Shiv Sena UBT MLA Vaibhav Naik along with his supporters allegedly vandalized the local PWD office in Malvan to protest against the collapse of the statue, as his party colleague said that Mahayuti will face repercussions for this in the upcoming state polls.
महाराज का अपमान हुआ, पूरे शिवप्रेमी का, महाराज का ही नहीं शिवप्रेमी का अपमान हुआ। पुतले में खड़ा करने वाले कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ने अगर ये काम में चोरी की होगी, कमीशन खोरी की होगी, दलाली खाई होगी, अब ये क्या छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के पुतले में भी ये सरकार कमीशन खाएगी? कौन है ये ठाणे का? हमारी मांग है इनके ऊपर सख्त कार्रवाई हो।
अत्यंत गंभीर आहे। महाराजांचा पुतळा बसवताना या सरकारने काळजी घेतली नाही। सरकार त्याला जबाबदार आहे। सरकारने केवळ आणि केवळ पंतप्रधानांच्या हस्ते हा पुतळा उभारायचा एवढा उद्देश ठेवून इव्हेंट केली, पण मूळ महाराजांच्या प्रती जी काळजी घेणं आवश्यक होतं, पुतळा उभारताना त्याच्या वळकटीची, त्याच्या सर्वच तिथल्या वाऱ्याची, तिथल्या सगळ्या परिस्थितीची याचा दुर्लक्ष करण्याचं काम झालेलं आहे। मी नेहमी म्हणतो की हे सरकार इव्हेंट सरकार आहे, यांना कामाच्या दर्जाविषयी देणं घेणं नाही।
ये महायुति की सरकार क्या करना चाहती है? इस पुतले का उद्घाटन स्वयं भारत के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने अपने कर कमलों द्वारा किया था। मतलब प्रधानमंत्री जी जिस विषय को ले रहे हैं उस विषय में भी भ्रष्टाचार। इसका जवाब महायुति सरकार को महाराष्ट्र की जनता आने वाले चुनाव में देकर रहेगी।
Well, amidst the outrage, Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has blamed strong winds for the cave-in and vowed to rebuild the structure. Asked about the collapse, Shinde said that the statue was designed and built by the Navy. Sindhudurg Guardian Minister Ravindra Chavan, who holds the PWD portfolio, said that a case has been filed against those involved in the statue work. Chavan said that the steel used in making of the statue had started rusting and the PWD had already written to Navy officials informing them about the statue catching rust and requested them to take appropriate steps. The Navy has also deputed a team to immediately investigate the cause of this unfortunate accident and initiate steps to repair, restore and reinstate the statue at the earliest.
टीका करायला त्यांना काय वेळच वेळ आहे, त्यामुळे मी काय त्या टीकेकडे काही लक्ष देत नाही। फक्त एवढंच सांगतो, झालेली घटना अतिशय दुर्दैवी आहे। छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज यांचं महाराष्ट्राचं आराध्य दैवत आहे आणि ज्या पुतळ्याचं लोकार्पण आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदीजींनी केलं होतं, तो पुतळा त्या कार्यक्रमाला आम्ही होतो। छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज यांची भूमिका आहे। हा पुतळा जो आहे हा नेव्हीने उभारला होता, त्याचं कंप्लीट डिझाईन नेव्हीने तयार केलं होतं आणि मी कलेक्टरशी बोलल्यानंतर त्यांनी मला सांगितलं 45 किलोमीटर पर आवर अशा प्रकारचा वारा, सुसाट्याचा वारा जो भोग होता आणि त्या याच्यामध्ये पुतळ्याचं नुकसान झालेलं आहे। पण मी आपल्याला सांगू इच्छितो, उद्या तिथे नेव्हीचे अधिकारी येणार आहेत। आमचे पालकमंत्री रवींद्र चव्हाण देखील घटनास्थळी गेलेत। मी त्यांना सांगितले, सूचना केलेल्या आहेत।
We have Arunil joining us in the broadcast with more details. Arunil, the opposition is questioning the government. The government says that the work was done by the Navy and that they had already informed the Navy about the steel, the material used for building the statue was rusting.
Well, that is right. Basically, an effort by the Maharashtra government to tell the opposition, or basically to tell the people of Maharashtra that they had not constructed this this statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, which basically collapsed yesterday. It was made at the revered Sindhudurga Fort, which was built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj only. In fact, lot of the leaders from the opposition in Maharashtra, Mahavikas Aghadi, the local Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena MLA as well from Malvan, basically had said that around 10 days back they had complained that rusting had developed on the bolts of this statue, and it was about to collapse. Still, no action was initiated by the PWD department of the Maharashtra government. There are allegations from the Mahavikas Aghadi leaders saying that when a leader of the stature of PM Modi had inaugurated this statue of none other than Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who is an icon in the state of Maharashtra, only within a year, how can it collapse? It is basically an insult to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and also they are alleging corruption from a Thane-based company, saying that there was alleged connivance with CM Eknath Shinde, being who's also from the Thane city. FIR now has been registered against the two contractors who made this statue.
All right, Arunil, thank you very much for getting us the details. And with that, we're slipping into a very short break. News and updates will continue. A lot more is lined up for you on the other side. Stay on course.